Alright guys, today our NPC, part 2 series of the NPC Pathfinding series. Today the NPC will do a mini obstacle course with little upgrades to the original script. Let's dive in so you can see how to do it. Thanks for watching. Alright, the first thing you want to do, you want to add some parts where the NPC can jump over. And right here I have 4 parts where the NPC will basically jump over these 4 parts. And I think I have the height on these 4 parts set not too high, so the NPC can jump over it, just high enough to where the NPC can jump over it. And then you want to add another truss part here in the workspace. And then that truss part will be the part, and then put the target part right here. So the NPC will start here. He'll jump these obstacles right here. And then once he jumped the obstacles, the NPC will walk here, climb the truss part, and stop the animation right here at the target part. Few additions to the original script. If you guys don't have the original script, I'll put the link to my first pathfinding tutorial in the top of the video. So let's dive in. I'll show you guys the script so you can add this to your game. Maybe have an NPC race another player in the obstacle course, in the obby. So now we want to go back to the NPC. Inside the NPC, we want to put a server script. Name it whatever you want. And inside that server script, put your animation, whatever animation you have. This one, I made a walking animation. Not the best, but the NPC moves. And then we'll go into the script. I have a short task wait just for video purposes so the animation won't start before I start the video, before I get my words in the recording. And then we get in the workspace, the pathfinding service. We got the NPC, the script. The NPC is the parent of the script. We look at the search function, wait for a child, waiting for the humanoid to load, and we're waiting for the animation to load. And we're gonna wait also for the animator and the animation. Speed I set to 2.2. You can play around with it, adjust it how you want. This is where the target part is in the workspace. The search function, wait for a child, waiting for the target part. NPC will be moving to find that target part. Then we got target part .touch. When the NPC hits that target part, basically touch it, the animation will stop playing. And then this is for the pathfinding part as well. Go do the search function for the humanoid, then the root part, which will be the humanoid root part. These are the waypoints, the radius, the height. NPC, of course, he can jump and he can climb. Then right here, it's the destination, the error message if it doesn't happen. And if it succeeds, you get a error. It's success. The waypoints will be created right here in pairs, so the NPC will follow these waypoints where he can jump and climb. Then he'll move to the position of the target part. If there's any error in this pathfinding, you'll get an error message in your console saying path failed, error message. Here's another reference to the target part in the workspace. Another search function, wait for child, will be the target part, and then you'll follow the path target.position. Only thing we did, I think the script's basically the same. We just added the obstacles in the game to now the NPC can jump and climb. Very short, very easy thing you can do. Next, part 3, we'll probably have where the NPC will go from one target part to a second target part and maybe make it over here. Basically have him play the obstacle obby by itself. Let's dive in. I'll show you guys how it worked. And now you see the NPC, he's moving. We'll follow along. Let's see we'll make one jump. It's doing like a double jump. I don't know if that's good or not, but right now we'll keep it in. I'll figure out later. Maybe I need to adjust the radius and the height. There's another jump, and we should make it to the truss part. Come on, let's go NPC. Who's going to win? NPC's winning the race. Now he's going to make it up to the target part, and the animation should stop. Oh no, I lost an NPC. Yeah, and there we go. So basically, this is how the NPC moves. Now let's dive into the script one more time, because I probably won't put it in the description today, but I have it on the screen for those who want to write it down. And remember, that script has to be inside the NPC, and you have to have an animation inside the script. And I'll show you guys one more time. Make sure I'm zoomed in all the way properly. So anybody who needs to see it. All right, it's pretty zoomed. So here's the top part. And then we'll go down to from 28 down. second part, third part. Show you guys one more time. It's from 1 to 28. And then we'll go from 29 to 55. 54, I'm sorry, 29, 54. And from 54 down to 70 to end of the script. Make sure you get an NPC, put some obstacles in his way, and he should jump and climb those obstacles. Thanks for watching. Thanks for my subscribers. And my original part 1 of the NPC pathfinding will be linked in the videos. So see you guys on the next one. Have a good weekend.